Oh, we actually got a lot of those.
Yeah, some of the guys use them as paperweights.
Did you do it? What did it cost?